In a small village lived a simple, kind-hearted boy named Riyad. His best friend was a bright green parrot named Mitu. Every day, Riyad would smile and ask, "Mitu, if I ever go away, will you cry for me?" And Mitu would chirp back sweetly, "No, Riyad, I won't cry." One day, Riyad felt terribly ill. The doctor said he didn't have much time left. That night, weak and pale, Riyad sat by the window, looked at Mitu and whispered, "Mitu, I'm going away. Will you still be my friend?" The next morning, Riyad was gone. The villagers found Mitu sitting silently by the window, refusing to eat or speak. When anyone called his name, Mitu only said in a trembling voice, "Riyad, I'm still your friend." A few days later, Mitu flew away into the sky and never came back. People say that on quiet evenings near Riyad's old house, you can still hear a faint voice echoing,
Riyad,
"Riyad,
I'm still your friend."